Reddy.
Sir, thank you. I take this opportunity on behalf of YSR Congress Party to congratulate you for being elected to this esteemed position. Sir, in your previous term, you conducted yourself with a lot of dignity, and I must really appreciate the way your dedication to uphold the values of our democracy. We wish that even in this term, it is marked with success, and you continue the same initiatives like you encourage the newcomers in the last term, and you give a fair chance to everybody in this house. We assure you our full cooperation, sir. All the best for this tenure for you. Thank you very much.
Sri
Telugudesam Party and Chandrababu Naidu Garu and fellow members of Lok Sabha, 5 crore people of Andhra Pradesh, and on my own behalf, I congratulate you on being elected as Speaker of this House, sir. It is a rare opportunity as a Speaker being elected and nominated and elected for the second time, sir. There were 5 members before you, and 2 are from Andhra Pradesh. One, Neelam Sanjay Reddy Garu. Second one, Balayogi Ji Garu. All these 5 members were nominated and elected for 2 times, sir, but somehow they didn't finish the 10-year term, sir. But you have this opportunity to complete this 10-year term, sir. There is some coincidence between both of us, sir. You being a first-time Speaker of this House and me being the first-time member of this House in 17th Lok Sabha, sir. And in the last 5 years, there's some groundbreaking things that have happened, starting with moving from the old Parliament to the new Parliament, sir, and new bills being passed, new laws being passed, starting with 370, Nari Shakti and Triple Talaq, which empowered the women, and also IPC, sir. And you also encouraged youth, who are the first-time members, who came to this House to speak, to rise up and speak on various issues, sir. In question hour, you've given us the opportunity to speak on to ask supplementary questions. And in the 0 hour also, you encouraged us to speak as much as possible, sir. And the whole experience of digital and also digitalization of the whole proceedings and also the research facilities that are available in the library have been vastly improved in the last 5 years, sir. And I hope it will continue in the next 5 years in your term, sir. And also, with regards to the question hour, sir, with the vigor with which you used to conduct, you used to make sure that most of the questions get answered in this House, sir. And you used to tell ministers to be crisp and answer in a pointed way, and used to give the members enough time to ask their questions, sir. So I hope that tradition will continue. And also remember, sir, during the times of COVID, it was something that no one has seen coming, sir, but you made sure that when everyone was worried how this House will function, you made sure that it has proceeded in a way, in a safe way, and also made sure that most of the members could express their views and problems from their state, sir. So I conclude by once again congratulating you, sir, and wishing you best of times in running the House, sir. I assure you, Telugudesam Party will support you in the next 5 years in smooth running of this House, sir. Thank you very much.
ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. चलिए बालाशुर जी.
On behalf of my Janasena Party President, Sri Pawan Kalyan Garu, and my own behalf, I express my heartfelt congratulations and best wishes to you on your election as the Speaker of this prestigious House. Sir, I am confident. My party is confident. The House and 140 crore people of this country are confident that you will accomplish a great deal as a Speaker of this House. Sir, this is my thought as member of this House. Sir, I am here because of my party leader, Sri Pawan Kalyan Garu. Sir, I sincerely thank and express my gratitude to him for giving me this opportunity. Sir, Pawan Kalyan Garu is a star in AP, and Honorable PM rightly said during the NDA meeting in the Central Hall of Samyadan Sadhan that a Pawan nahi on the high. This is true. He is a tufan in Andhra politics. Sir, Pawan Kalyan Garu has made a record in history of independent India. Sir, Janasena Party is the only party in the country since independence which has got 100% strike rate both in Lok Sabha and Assembly elections. Sir, Janasena party fought
Rajiv
21
Ranjan ji.
assembly and 2 Lok Sabha seats and won
Rajesh
all
Ranjan
21
ji.
assembly seats.
Okay,
Sir,
okay.
sir,
Please. Okay, Rajesh Ranjan ji.
अध्यक्ष जी हृदय से
ओके माननीय सदस्य नहीं आपका कोई रिपोर्ट नहीं जा रहा
अध्यक्ष जी
राजेश रंजन जी आप बोलना चाहते हैं बोलिए
अध्यक्ष जी हृदय की गहराइयों से
बालाशोरी जी प्लीज
अध्यक्ष जी हृदय की गहराइयों से न्यायाधीश के सर्वोत्तम और सर्वश्रेष्ठ कुर्सी पे आपने जो गौरवपूर्ण और गरिमामयी जो आप आज पुनः दोबारा हम सबके गार्जियन के रूप में देश की स्वाभिमान सम्मान और अभिमान की संविधान की स्वतंत्रता को बढ़ाए रखने के लिए जो आप हम सबके बीच दोबारा स्पीकर के रूप